Making the choice to follow my dreams was absolutely terrifying. You don't have the stability, you don't have any safety net, but baking is my biggest passion. I came across this incredible building. I reached out to the bank I was with. I'm a small baker. They don't take me serious. I had asked a friend what they did for their business, and she said, talk to Shayla.
Any person should be given the opportunity to see their dream and their vision come to life.
She never let me think small, and she always gave me choices. Having people around you that understand what you're doing and want to support you is everything. That's what CIBC's done for me.